All right, y'all. So today we have the Pirlotte, I think that's how you pronounce that, wireless portable air compressor with a touch screen. I think this is gonna be real nice right here, man. Right now you can find this thing on Amazon for about 79 bucks. They do got a $10 off coupon, man. And I will throw a link in the description. Now, the reason I scooped this one up was because my previous one, which you guys will see, I have the old school one. It is broke, and I decided to just go ahead and pick up a new one because I like to have all of the things that I need in my car in case anything was to happen while I was out on the road. So that was one of the main reasons I wanted to go ahead and replace it. Now this one is really cool because it is a touch screen. It has a lot of different little ways you can pump up, bicycle tires, motorcycle tires, cars, you name it. You probably can pump it up. Has a lot of different things that come inside of the box. As you can see right here, has a USB-C cable. You can charge portable devices and things like that from this as well. I think it also has a 18,000 milliamp hour battery on the inside, if I'm not mistaken. But again, it's a real cool little product. And again, I decided to scoop it up because I really needed it. Now, as far as the build quality on this thing, it is really put together real well. It's not heavy, even though it's 18,000 milliamps. It's not heavy, pretty light. Has a nice little light on it. Has a spot on it where you can connect the actual hose so that you can use, so that you can pump up any type of, ball, bike, tire, whatever it is that you want to pump up. Once you turn it on, you're just going to get this little screen right here. And it seems like there's a lot of stuff going on this screen, but it's pretty simple. It's really pretty simple. So if you press this button right here, you will get a light. You press it again, you will get like the police looking lights. Press it one more time, you get like a flashing red light. And if you press it again, it will turn off. All right. If you press that circle kind of little button, it'll cycle between which mode you want to be in, whether that be car, bike, motorcycle, basketball, or whatever the case is, right? And then up at the very top, it shows if you're in like PSI, if you're in like bar, and so forth. Now, right now, you're in PSI, right? And if you hold that button there, it'll switch to bar. You hold it again, it will switch to KPA, and then it'll go to KG, and then it'll go back to, I think, PSI. Now, with this thing, you can also set your target pressure, and then once it gets to that targeted pressure, it'll shut off. As far as charging this thing up or charging up an external device, once you plug it in, you can throw it into, like, let's say your iPhone or something like that, and as you can see, you will get a charge. So if I'm not mistaken, the USB port is for charging up devices, and the USB-C port is to actually charge up this device. As you can see right here, I'm using the EcoFlow to charge it up. And it doesn't pull that many watts as well. I like to kind of show that so people can be aware of that, but it's only pulling about 6 watts, as you can see down in the corner of the screen right there. All right, so again, that's everything in the box. Let's go ahead, take it outside, man, and test it out. All right, so here's the old one right here, and this one is pretty big and bulky, and you have to plug it into like the cigarette lighter. And then this is the newer one right here, so you can already see right there the difference. You see what I'm saying? And this is like old style, got a little gauge on the front, but this is the new style. So we're gonna throw this one away right here. All right, so right now I got it plugged in right here, and my actual PSI in the car is 31, and we're going to 40, so you'll get to see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna press start, and it should get to 40 and then stop. All right, guys, so there you have it, a quick video on this little air compressor right here. Again, tools like this come in handy, man. You never know when you're gonna need something like this. So I always suggest having something small like this in your car at all times, so that in case you have a flat or something to that effect, you can pump your tires up. You can always get a charge on your phone, so you'll never feel stranded and things like that. As well as the AC mount. I don't know if you guys remember when we did the AC mount, the portable jumper. I've used that thing 3 times, man. Actually, yeah, 3 times. I used it 3 times. 1 on my truck, and 2 times I let somebody else use it, man. And it has came in handy. So small portable devices like this and that one, if you remember, I'll probably throw it up on the screen, where that you can charge your devices as well as charge your car and then pump up your tires and stuff like that. man, you can't beat that, especially when you're out with your family, man. It's nothing like feeling safe and secure and knowing that you can get yourself out of any situation, man. So again, they didn't send me this. I bought this with my own money, man. 79 bucks, $10 off. I think this is a really good look, man, and I highly recommend something like this. You don't have to get this one. Find anyone you like, but in general, something like this will come in handy, I promise you, man. So hopefully this video has been helpful, man. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man, Jay, and I am out of here. Peace.